tigers back there?
And snakes too.
There are snakes too?
Yeah.
A bunch?
Yeah, those animals, they will eat me.
They will eat you?
Yeah, and then there was bug spray.
Oh, that's why you put on bug spray?
Yeah, and then they like those stuff.
They don't like bug spray?
Yeah, those animals, the ones bug spray. Animals. Everything in bugs and bugs. And tigers, snakes. And there's two of them in there.
Right.
And tigers, two of them in there.
Right.
And two of them.
Mm-hmm.
Some monsters in there.
And monsters are in there too?
Yeah?
I thought monsters were pretend.
Oh.
Are there really monsters in the world?
Yeah, they're in the house.
And they're in your house?
No, they're in the forest.
In the forest? But I thought monsters didn't really exist. I thought they were just make-believe.
But no, animals you can't pass me.
Right. Why?
Because they can't pass me. Because they need drunk.